Hello, this is Uplifting Post Tower. Welcome to the Scandic Hotel Backadal in Göteborg, Sweden. This is an old building from the 1970s. If you go straight through the entrance, you will find the elevators to the left, which is a set of two cone elevators. When I visited this hotel, the elevator on the left wasn't working.
Fjärde våningen. Femte våningen.
And now, before we go to the service elevator, I got to show you something. There's actually a small bit of this hotel building that is not accessible, at least not by any normal elevator. So for that reason, they actually built some extra stair lifts here. Fun fact, even though these elevators have been ordered at the Swedish company of Kalea, these are actually hero lifts from Germany. And to make it even better, it already happened the other way around. That is a Kalea elevator that has been imported by Hero. But let's get back to Sweden. And now to the service elevator of this hotel, which still has got its original swing door, but sadly it's been completely modernized. New buttons, new logic, new inner doors. Oh well.
Femte våningen. Sjätte våningen.